Hello folks, it's Coach Corbin, Executive Director and Founder of the Kentucky Chess Ambassadors. And this is a major request I'm putting out there. Our vision is to reach really every school in the Commonwealth of Kentucky. And when I say reach them, to help them, to guide them in establishing a successful chess program at their school. We're particularly keen on doing that with at Title I schools here in Jefferson County, Louisville, Kentucky. Title I schools, as you know, are underachieving academically, and chess can play. I mean, research has shown this, our personal experience has shown this, can play a critical role in reinforcing a young person's intellectual and academic skills. As a matter of fact, my personal experience in running, I've been a chess coach, teacher, for the past 10 years. And I see it time and time again. If a young person is involved in chess for 2 consecutive years, you will see a difference in their critical thinking skills. You will see a difference in their concentration. And those are skills that are transferable to what? Math and reading. So what I'm doing now is making an appeal. We're trying to raise $1 million to establish an endowment. And as most of you know, an endowment is basically where you have a big chunk of money, you invest it, stock market, bonds, ETFs, mutual funds, what have you. And the income from that investment, you use that income, that passive income. And so we're looking to have a $1 million endowment. We're hoping for at least a 4% return. And based on that 4% return, that income, that's the money we'd use to continue the program, And doing what? Well, maintaining our office, buying equipment, buying clocks, getting our young people back and forth to regional tournaments and national tournaments. More of our young people want to go to the Chess Museum up in Cincinnati. I mean, not Cincinnati, but up in St. Louis, just things of that nature. So this is just a flat out appeal. If you can help us, with a contribution. It can be $5, $50, $5,000, whatever, $50,000, whatever. We have one of the best asset management companies in the Commonwealth of Kentucky. They're going to manage that money for us. It's Capital Guidance. These are absolutely fantastic company. I've met with them several times. We have an account with them right now. And they've made it clear to us, yes, they'll do it. I feel very confident about their ability to manage our money in a very responsible and profitable manner. As a matter of fact, if you're a major donor and you want to speak directly to them to get some sort of insurance about their skill level and all, Capital Guidance, Capital Guidance has no problem with that whatsoever. We'll have their address and phone number on this film, so if you want to speak to them directly, you can. Our contact person there is Wyatt. So that's it. I mean, that's what we're talking about. We want to raise $1 million, have a $1 million endowment. We're hoping for a 4% return. Eventually, once we get it up to a particular point, we'll be having more meetings with an attorney. And one of the things we're going to have with this document about the endowment is that we will never touch the principal. We don't care what happens. We'll never touch the principal. So when you make that donation to the endowment, it stays. It stays, period. So don't be worried about me running off to Jamaica or something with the money. That's not going to happen. We'll never have access to that capital. We can never tap into that capital. Now, the income, passive income we get from that, we are obligated by law to sort of let people know, to make it public. Well, this is what we spent the money on. I'm pretty excited about this. This is something I've been doing for past 10 years. I've had the nonprofit up for 2. I've recently made a very significant major life decision. And so my partner's made it clear to me she expects me to continue doing this for 10 years. She's being very supportive. So at a minimum, I'm going to be doing this at least another 10 years. And I want to have the Kentucky Chess Ambassadors financially set up in such a way that once I leave or once I pass, it will continue. It will continue to keep having a positive impact on young people here in the Commonwealth of Kentucky. Thank you very much.